Good morning, everyone. It is May 18th for Kyushu Institute of Technology, English 2C, Wednesday first period, although this is going to be the recording for second period and third period as well. Let's see. It is class 5. And back in class 3, I gave you this assignment for your self-intro video. Generally, you guys have done probably an okay job, but I was a little bit concerned. I have to show you this in teacher mode. In class 3 for this video, I noticed that only about half of you have actually turned this in, or not even half of you, only about 10 of you have turned this in. Oh, wait a minute, this is third period, sorry. I was surprised. Let's see, first period. Sorry, this is first period for you guys. And let me turn on my editing mode and class 3 for first period. Okay, now let's look at your results. So class 3 in first period, only 14 people have so far submitted, and there's like at least here 27, 28 students in this class. So you've left this to the last day. Now, of course, that's entirely your choice, but I don't recommend you leaving this to the last day, because this means that you have to do it tonight. Okay, otherwise it's going to be late. But please don't forget, this is due tonight. This is your self-intro video. Make sure that you do it while you're walking. You do it with your smartphone, 1 to 2 minutes. Speak English all the way through. Don't speak any Japanese, and hold your phone properly. Check out all of the rules for how to do a self-intro video. If you have any questions, you can ask me. But this is an important assignment, so please don't forget. Let's go back to May 18th, week 5. Okay, your video lecture is here again, and your review exercise. And as always, it's due on a Saturday. You have the quiz from last week on writing topic sentences. That's also due on Saturday. And because this is week 5, we have a new set of Moodle quizzes, Moodle grammar quizzes for weeks 5 and 6. Now, from week 5 and 6, the Safe Exam browser has been turned on. So you have to use this using your Safe Exam browser. Now, we're going to be talking about that a little bit later after we finish this Moodle explanation. But from now on, the Safe Exam browser is going to be turned on. You also have a reading quiz that's due on June 5th. So this reading quiz covers units 1 to 3. So you have until a pretty long time, June 5th, which is almost what, week 8? Or no, I'm sorry, that's a little bit before week 8, because units 1 to 3 are the units for the midterm test. So the reading quiz covers most of what's important in the midterm test. Now, the midterm test will be on the 8th week, but I also wanted to talk about that. The midterm test is on the 8th week, but I want to go back into the classroom on week 7. So June 1st is when I want to go back into the classroom, but I still have to talk to the university about bringing you guys in 1 week early, as I don't want to go back into the classroom on June 8th when that is the day for our test. I want to go into the classroom 1 week before. You can find out where your classroom is. You can check to make sure your Safe Exam browser is running. We can meet for the first time. And then the second class in the classroom will be on June 8th. So instead of doing the test as the first class in the classroom, I want to meet on June 1st, but I still have to talk to the university. I'll give you the final announcement of when we're coming back to the classroom completely next week on May 25th. But keep in mind that June 1st is when I want to go back to the classroom. Okay. So don't forget, you have your assignments, 3 of them. Oh, actually 4 of them. Okay. You have your review exercise for this week and topic sentences. That's due on Saturday. You have your weeks 5 and 6 quiz with the Safe Exam browser turned on. And also too, because the Safe Exam browser is turned on, remember, if you have any questions, email me or ask me any questions about the Safe Exam browser. And I will be very honest with you, I'm not familiar with the Safe Exam browser. This is something that the university wants to do to make sure that everyone takes the test properly. But it's something that's also new to me, so we'll have to try to work it out together. but that's due on May 31st. And shortly after that, you have to do this reading quiz. And doing the reading quiz will help you study for the midterm tests. So doing the reading quiz before the test will actually help make sure that you know what's going to be on the material for the test. As always, if you have any questions, please email me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can talk to me at the end of this class. Okay. And next week, I'll be giving you the information on whether or not we're going to be going to the classroom on June 1st or June 8th, but probably we will be going into the classroom on June 1st. Okay. Thanks, everyone.